least I know the instrument type, bro. I just didn't know your location. Yeah, jeez, your RBR is much better.
I have never had a package this big. So I've been ordering glass for at least 3 years now online, and I've never gotten a box this big. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Potter with Grandmaster Glass, back for another vlog. I've got a package here, got a bunch of clear glass. That's probably why this is so big, because I got a bunch of raw clear glass and tubes, actually, to be specific, and a bunch of colors for an order coming up for Alien Smoke Shop here in town, and some new tools. So I'm gonna unbox that and this, and that's probably gonna be today's vlog. I'm just gonna try to keep it moving. Want to not spend too much time on trying to think on videos to make and think what to do. Just kind of vlog this opening, show you guys some new tools, show you where I put them, and I'll probably wrap up this video as well. Before we get going, like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff, and let's cut this bad boy open. And so, like I was saying, I've never gotten a box this big. Typically, what happens is they cut it, they break it down. They the company usually charges like a cutting fee. And now that I've gotten the package, I'm thinking about it. I don't recall seeing like that charge. It was a hefty shipping charge, and I just figured because of the weight or whatever. But yeah, this is just about as tall as me. I mean, that's a good 5-foot box. I'm like 5'9", so let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so this is all one big fella. Take this out, make sure nothing falls. Do it one-handed, don't drop nothing. Oh, here we go. It's probably like 15, 20 pounds. Okay, so these are probably my tools, and I'm trying to make sure I recall everything I got. Nothing else in this box, I don't believe. So over here, so this should be, I got 10 millimeter and 14 millimeter joint tools. And so, because I don't have a teacher, I'd like to have a teacher, maybe seek out some more lessons or actual education. But because I don't have a teacher, I'm teaching myself, and I'm pretty sure I've gotten all the parts that I need now to make a mini tube. That is on my to-do list, on my goals, on my vision chart. So this, yeah, is a 14 tool, joint tool. I've got the 10 mil back there. Got a 10 mil forming set. I'm going to be using stock preformed joints for the first couple that I do, but once I get good at it, I'm definitely going to form my own joints. But this one, what do I got in the second one? This is a smaller one. No, so this was the, also Griffin tool, but flaring, kind of like a reamer. So it had a nice handle. This was like $20. Definitely worth it. So be very careful with this though, because I do have just regular graphite ones, but stepping up my game just a little bit, treating myself. So that's a cool tool right there. And so that's what, like, when I flare open the tube, when I go to make the connection between the joint, I'll use that tool. And there's so many ways to do so many things, and I'm just doing what I think is right. And so time will tell. Trial and error. That's how I've learned everything blowing glass. I'll watch a video, watch a live, just get a bit of information, and then try it for myself. and kind of go from there. Come on. Yeah, I can't believe this was so big. So this will be fun to break down. Breaking down tubing, I mean, that's a whole little session within itself. So that'll be a day's worth of prep. Not a day's worth, but a session's worth of prep. Just breaking down this big ass tube. Just because I don't have the biggest torch or the biggest setup. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big tube. This is exactly what I wanted though. Cool. Awesome. So I got color for Alien Smoke Shop. I got a bunch of joints. 10 mil, 14 mil, some down stems, some opals. That's probably what's going to be on here. Looks like where are the opals? There they are. Come on, focus. So that'll be cool for some opal sets. Certification. Thanks for packing my order. So that's the color right there. These are all the joints, like I was saying. 10 mil, 14 mil, some down stems. That looks... I don't think I got any other tools, so should do it there. Ooh. What is this? Let's see. Okay, so now that I've got everything unboxed, I've got all the colors over there, the tools, and then kind of the clear glass. And so what I was saying, I've got a 60 mil, I think it's a 28 mil, and a 22 mil. I've got down stems or joint connectors, like 10 mil, 14 mil joints for days, female and male. Like this is a female 14, female 10. This is a 14 to 10, like, I guess, drop down, down stem, I guess you could call it. Then we've got, these are going to be 10 mil female, no, excuse me, 10 mil male. Then we got 14 mil male. Then we've got some extra 14 mil male, ground and then unground. And it looks like maybe I just double ordered and I didn't need to. Yeah, those are AccuGrind 14s. And, female. Either they doubled me up or I doubled myself up, but fuck it. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to try to make myself a mini tube. I've always wanted to, and I think I figured out everything I need to. And this is a huge inspiration. This is like my daily piece. This is one of my first like heady pieces ever. Then we've got the Fat Boy and the Kraken behind it. But this is about this piece and being able to make something similar, inspired by it, just out of clear. You know, not all the wigwag, all the cool stuff, just out of clear. And I'm going to see where it takes me. Who knows? And so to recap, we've got the opals for the Alien Smoke Shop set right there. And then we've got the reamer with a fancy handle. And then we've got the 14 mil male joint holder. So when you're connecting pieces, you can hold it. And then over here, we've got all of the colors that I'm going to be using for the Alien Smoke Shop Slurper sets. And one thing I did think was, two things actually. I've never used any of these colors. So it's going to be a cool learning experience. So when somebody or a shop needs something, I like to, you know, push what I can do. I'm not going to use the same colors. I want to try to do something different. So I'm going to use all new colors that I've never used before. As well, I try to use hype colors that people, you know, that are just uncommon to people's eyes, that really pop, or just something that they don't see every day. So I think it's a win-win for everybody. But going off like some of these colors, I think what I'm going to do is actually include, this is for like the artist or the glass worker just to kind of have some tips on how to work it, like the flame chemistry. But to include that for the customer, I think it's just really cool and kind of brings everybody in. And yeah, so like Silver Strike, Orange Crown, Lemon Drop. And this, before I blew glass, I saw a silica piece made out of lemon drop, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. So I thought that was a cool little moment. And then we've got Prison Strike. This is Kryptonite, Seriously, which is a CFL color, which is super cool. It goes to 3 different colors. And then we've got Shamrock, Starry Night, which is like metallic CFL, or excuse me, just a metallic kind of shimmer on green almost. And then we've got Ultramarine, and then Galaxy, which is kind of like a blue version, just kind of like a blue base with metallic, and then a green base with metallic. So yeah, all of those are going to be in the slipper sets that I include for Alien Smoke Shop. So I need to break down that box, find a home for all that glass, because I'd say in another couple weeks I'm going to start that project. I hooked up the Bunsen burner, I've got all the tools I need, and I'm ready to start my next project. Yeah, it's just kind of one of those things as a solo artist, somebody, you know, who doesn't, I don't know how to say it, like, just nobody is like, hey, do this. You have to do this to get better or to be successful or to, you know, it's just me trying to be better than I was yesterday and trying to take inspiration. And there's not a lot of glass activity where I live, so that's another reason for the videos. I just want to bring customers, people, somebody who can't see somebody blow glass, doesn't have time, or just isn't near somebody who blows glass. So just to show what somebody who does, one in like thousands and thousands. I mean, I think there's probably 20, 30,000 glass blowers in the United States. I was watching a documentary, and I think that was one of the numbers that got thrown around. But yeah, so who knows how many people actually even watch this video. So rambling on for a minute. But yeah, I'm going to clean up for my vlog. This probably wraps up, I'm probably thinking a 10-minute video. Try to keep them short and title them well so people know what's going on in them. Rambling on here long enough. I'm going to get cracking. Tomorrow's vlog, I'll probably show you guys I'm packaging up another order for Hetty's Hideout and some Focus Spheres. So that'll be the focus for tomorrow's vlog. And yeah, I just need to pick up my mess now. So yeah, find a home for all this stuff. Well, guys, do all the YouTube stuff. I will keep up with these vlogs. And like, comment, subscribe. And remember, everybody, never stop evolving.